Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, October 6th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Morning, David. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good. But I need this coffee. I had a busy morning already.
Yes, me too. The machine is slow today.
It always is when I am in a hurry. Anyway, how was your weekend?
It was okay. I rested a bit. You?
I watched some sports, relaxed. But now back to work.
Yes. Work never stops. Hey, did you hear about the government shutdown?
Oh yes, it started last week. Congress could not agree on money.
Right. Now the government is closed. Many services stop.
Exactly. I read in the New York Times. Plans to end it failed 4 times in the Senate.
That is bad. Federal workers are furloughed or work without pay?
Yeah, about 600,000 people affected. That is a lot.
It is, and the jobs report is delayed. No data this month.
True. Economists guess now. Businesses like ours wait for numbers.
In my projects, we need that data. It helps plan budgets.
For sales, it is tough. Clients hold back. They worry about the economy.
I see the shutdown ripples across agencies. Everything slows.
President Trump talks about cuts to agencies, Democrat ones, he says.
That sounds political. It makes people angry.
Sure does. I think it hurts everyone. Shops lose money too.
Yes. A poll shows Trump and Republicans at a disadvantage.
No surprise? People blame them. We need the government open.
Let us hope they fix it soon. It affects our work indirectly.
Yeah. Stable economy means more sales for me.
And smoother projects for me. Okay, enough on that.
Right? Oh, speaking of tech, what about that Apple story?
The app removal? Yes, I saw it.
Apple took down apps that let people report ICE agents.
ICE is immigration enforcement. The apps shared agent locations?
Exactly. Users spot agents and post where they are.
Now Apple removes them from the store. It is controversial.
Some say it protects privacy. Others say it endangers immigrants.
True, and tech apps use GPS to track. But is it right?
I use apps for work, like maps for client visits.
As project manager, I manage tech tools. This raises questions.
Yeah, who decides what apps stay? Apple has power.
It does. Society debates tech and safety now.
In business, we worry about data privacy too.
Yes, clients ask about secure apps. This news makes it real.
Imagine if our sales app got removed. Disaster.
Haha, yes, we would lose deals.
Exactly. Apple says the apps break rules on harassment.
I read that. But users say it is for protection. Both sides have points. It is not simple.
No, tech changes fast. We adapt in office.
We do. Training on new tools helps.
Good. Now one more news from Boston Globe.
What is it?
A superintendent in Cambridge. He lost $750,000 in a crypto scam.
Crypto? Like digital money?
Yes, Bitcoin and such. He invested and got tricked.
Oh dear, scams are everywhere now.
He sued his bank. Said they did not warn him.
That is bold. Crypto is risky. Prices go up and down.
Right. He thought it was safe, lost big money.
Society sees more scams. People chase quick riches.
In office, we hear about fraud emails.
Yes, be careful with investments.
I stick to savings account. No crypto for me.
Smart. As project manager, I plan safe budgets.
Good. This story warns everyone.
It does. Education on scams is key.
Yeah. Talk to colleagues about it.
We should. Share tips in meetings.
True. Okay, coffee is ready finally.
Yes, I add sugar.
I take it black, strong.
How is your sales team?
Busy, new targets this month.
Mine too. Deadline's coming.
We push through, teamwork.
Always. See you in the break room later?
Sure. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.